What is up, guys? Welcome to my sixth country of Canada. So I am here in Toronto right now. I got here last night and I only have today. Unfortunately, I have to leave tomorrow because this country already seems great. So today I'm going to go to Toronto. I'm going to get a Canadian flag and then just walk around and film whatever I can. Alrighty, so just got dropped off from my Uber here in Toronto. I'm a little bit out from the city because I wanted to go to a gift shop, but I don't see it. So I'm just gonna walk towards the CN Tower and hope there's one over there. Alright, so just got breakfast at McDonald's. It's about 10:30 local time. There's the CN Tower right there. Not to be confused with the Space Needle. That is in that's what I'm talking. Anyway, the Space Needle is in Seattle, Washington, in the United States. That tower there, that is the CN Tower, not the Space Needle. There's a lot of construction right here in this area, but not a bad city. There's Rogers Center. That's where the Toronto Blue Jays play. And then there's the CN Tower. So I'm gonna walk over there. And I need to try to find a Canadian flag for my flag collection. I already got Canada's money. So I need to go find a souvenir shop as well. It is a beautiful day out today here in Toronto. Today is October 22nd. It's about 55 degrees Fahrenheit, which is why I'm wearing this. Just a long sleeve shirt. But right now I'm still at Rogers Center. I just walked under that. I'm a huge baseball fan, so I love getting to see different stadiums. But now I need to try to find a souvenir shop so I can get Canada's flag. Alright, so I found Canada's flag. And I got this postcard. And I got another postcard, but I mailed it because it came with a stamp, so I went ahead and mailed it. And I got this bottle of water. So mission successful for the flag, so that way I can keep building my flag collection. I'm at this dog park right now. It's like a dog park slash regular park. And there's a bird. Just had lunch and stopped at Dairy Queen. Got some ice cream. What's up, guys? I left Toronto. I mean, I'm still in the area. I just went back to my hotel. I'm walking around there for about 5 hours and just decided to go back. But Toronto's a great city. But right now I'm on my way to some burrito place to go get a burrito. I'm gonna go to bed a little bit earlier tonight because I have to get up at 4 a.m. to catch my flight. So I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Okay, so change of plans. So apparently the burrito place I was gonna go to is actually a 46-minute walk. I had the wrong thing selected. I was on drive and it was a 6-minute drive, and then I finally got down this street, which is super long, and I was like, okay, this is definitely more than a 6-minute walk. And then I realized I was on the wrong one. So I think I'm gonna go try Tim Hortons. I know it's big in Canada, so I'll give it a try. Alright, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I'm currently back in the United States. I forgot to film an outro for the Canada video while I was still in Canada. I was just really busy while I was there and just completely forgot about it. So hopefully you like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.